a list of people you haven't contacted in a while. And I think the laws these days in Canada, if you host your list in the US with a US company, they're different. But if you're in Canada, there's a 2-year rule where you can still contact them. But anyways, here's those 3 ways I was talking about that you can revive a dead email list. So the first way is with an I'm sorry email. And there's this psychological thing with humans, and I don't know what it is, where if you say sorry to somebody, they can't get mad at you. You know? It's kind of weird. So if the subject line says I'm sorry, and in the email you say, we've been busy with fill in the blank, some justifiable excuse, and then you say, but we've got something really awesome for you, and you have to have some kind of a gift. So sometimes it's a survey with a contest, sometimes it's, we're just going to give the whole list 30% off products over here or something, but this works really well to re-engage the list and at least get them opening emails again. Now if that doesn't work, the 9-word email is another really popular way to do things. So the 9-word is, are you still looking at getting, insert the blank, this service? Are you still interested in getting a mortgage? Are you still looking for a car? Are you still interested in this particular product or service? And if that one doesn't work, the only other one that I really get a lot of great results with is this one called, we're sorry to see you go. And everybody opens this one. Like if you want to see if your software is working or if it's just your list, if you want to see if you've really pissed them off and they're never going to talk to you again, or if it's really just a technology problem, send the we're sorry to see you go email, because nobody likes being deleted, right? There's nobody here in this room that's going to say, yeah, no, actually, I love it when people delete me, right? Even if you want to be deleted, you'll get upset when somebody chooses to do it for you, right? So, psychological thing here. So, long story short, when you say, we're sorry to see you go, in the email, like I have this email that explains, with our inactive prospects, we put them in a list that only gets mailed once a month. So they don't get access to the hot stuff when we produce new things. They don't get access to the free reports, the updated podcasts. They don't get access to our video trainings or our webinars. We only send them the monthly newsletter. Now obviously for safe purposes, like nobody's going to get upset if you send them a monthly newsletter, but they might if it's a promotion. So we send promotions to the hot list, but we sell it in such a way that in this email we talk about how important it is to be on the hot list. So if anybody clicks on this, they get moved to the hot list. If they don't touch that email, they stay in the newsletter, group. So just like I was talking about that 486,000 contacts, one of the other things that we learned was have a hot list, have a dormant list. The dormant list you never ever sell anything to. You just keep sending them value. If you have something awesome but has no sales pitch in it, send that to those people. But if you have something of promotional nature, it's perfect for the hot list, because if they just subscribe, they just opened, they've just gotten on the list, it's totally cool.